I just pulled up to Kevin's house. It's gonna work. Oh shit, my phone fell. Damn. And we're gonna work on his headlights. Remember, I got new coil or low coilovers in the front, so that's why I'm hella low in the front. Big old hound. Go and smell the camera. Go and smell the camera.
Alright, time to go.
Oh. Where's your lip?
Gone.
Already started?
No,
No, just get everything
He just got everything.
are you ready to deal with that again?
We're not dealing with that again.
No, I mean, you're gonna have to at one point.
He's taking that off. Tell him why you're taking it off.
Because I got a new one. It's
Oh.
right over here.
We're not in California.
No, we're not in California.
This is Texas.
This is Texas. This
You
is
wonder why it's
Texas.
60 degrees? It's because it's winter.
Oh.
My performance, baby.
They're heavy.
Heavy. MAP.
Damn.
And then I got fuel pump.
So I want to take off my back banner because we're getting new banners. I gotta rep the club. I'm gonna take this off. Get a new one. Same thing with Kevin. He's taking his off. Damn. Wash this thing, bruh. Hurry up and wash it.
Oh, I'm sorry. As soon as we get these on, well, we're gonna wash it.
Test fit it. Test fit it. Let me see what it looks like.
They look clean.
So it'll go in like this. And you see right there, Mark, right? See right there, that little ball right there? You see that gold ball right there?
Huh?
That gold balls, those culo. We just put it,
click it in there.
yeah, but that thing is super sensitive. If I break it, it's over. It's over. It's over.
All right, let me see. Let me see the headlights. He plugged in the LEDs, and we're gonna test fit them outside just in case they work or not. The headlights.
Yeah. But I think at night we might have to take them off so I can adjust like the height of them.
Oh yeah.
So,
No, you can do it from my P. You can just.
They should come preset though.
They have a.
unwrapping.
Oh, let's see what it looks like. Looks clean.
There was an option for silver trimming, but I got black instead because
Nah, black better.
so I have to push it on only.
Oh, let them know. Let them know the process how you took that shit off or whatever. You just took it off, clips, whatever.
So first off, I had to take off this plastic piece right here that's just covers this.
Ah!
God damn!
Yeah.
So I'm doing a complete delete of this plastic piece.
Are you deleting it?
Yeah, I'm deleting it.
Okay.
And then you gotta. I have a toothbrush in here. Oh, you to clean stuff.
Hey, cleans what stuff?
You know what?
What happens back there?
So I took off the bumper because we gotta. Well, you got first. How else are you gonna take it off? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you just take off the bumper, rip that hole off, take off the old headlight. I'm gonna show you the old headlight.
Oh yeah.
Oh, show them the headlights.
No, why am I
Show
holding
them.
it like a fucking football?
Come on. Oh no. Now let's see what the old one
Who
is.
wants some goldfish with this aquarium, baby?
Go. Jeez.
Yeah, don't let that happen.
That storm didn't do you any good, huh?
Facts.
If y'all see moisture in your headlights, make sure to take that shit off.
Or just replace them.
Yeah, but I didn't do that.
Don't get that cinematic.
I got it.
Eric's in town.
What's he doing here?
He's working.
Oh.
So I guess this one right here is my daytime light for the old headlights.
Oh, okay.
But I can't get this fucking daytime wire out. So you see this right? What you looking at?
Put that thing back there. Pull your pants up.
So you see the red wire right here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there we go. But I'm not trying to rip it. That shit pokey.
You're looking.
Hey, that shit went through my shorts, bro.
You're looking at this.
Hey, bro. Scratched in.
Alright, so let them know what you had to do, because they probably don't know. And what if they get the same headlights?
All right.
Let them know. Let them know.
All right. So we just made a hole right here.
So you had to make a custom work right here,
Mm-hmm.
because your wire won't close on the box or whatever.
Sir,
And then he ran the wire,
The DRO wire.
DLR whatever, and just ran it through down here and zip tied it for the other side. And then this is what the headlight looks on right now. Oh yup. Oh yup.
all we gotta do is just put on the connections, see if it runs,
See if it runs.
see if it works. Well, technically same shit.
So this was pretty easy, not that hard.
Last words.
5 hours later it's dark. And then you still just gotta do the other side, but it's pretty much just playing with plug in play, whatever.
Yep.
So yeah. Alright, so we got the headlights on, bunch of dogs barking in the back. He's about to see if these work.
Ready?
Yeah. Sheesh.
Wait, but turn off your light bulb.
Huh?
Turn off the light bulb so the DRLs can.
Turn off your
What is this? Oh, it's just a smudge. Oh wait, turn it on
wait,
back
what?
on.
Turn it back on?
Oh, there you go.
That's fucking hard.
That's how you have to have it during the day.
That's fucking hard.
Wait, let me try out.
It's fucking hard. Sheesh.
Sick. I thought this would be the turn signal too.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick though. At
Yeah.
least it's not flashing fast
Yeah.
because you have the back one's LED too.
That's sick. That dog barking still.
Alright, bro.
Just go right here. Yeah. And there's one that's just like.
You plug in that connection already for the DRLs?
No.
Plug it in if you're good. Man.
Well,
It's gonna be a lot easier.
it's not fitting right.
Alright, so Kevin got both the headlights on now.
Wait.
Oh, he's cleaning it.
Even though this is all like this.
Alright, go ahead.
There you go.
Eesh.
Put your hazards on. There you go. Why you copy me with my turn signals?
And that shit looks hella nice. Let me take a picture of it real quick. Oh.
I come back to that one part to see if it, where it says does it run?
Does it run? Right here.
All we gotta do is just put on the connections, see if it runs.
See if it runs.
Yeah.
Now what?
Turn it on, try it again.
Hey, did you pull the wrong fuse?
Huh?
Did you pull the fuel pump fuse?
I hope not.
You probably pulled the fuel pump fuse.
Nah, fuel pump fuse are the big thick ones.
Bro, just came off.
No.
Oh, that came off? What's that have to do with
These are the headlights.
Plug it in.
That's the headlights.
What the heck? Wait. Do it again?
Me? No, I didn't know.
No, put the lights on. What the fuck are these two?
That's your high beams or whatever?
Daytime lights?
Wait. Those are.
Why is that not connected and it's working?
Hold on. Unplug it. Hey, where does this go?
Hmm?
Right here? Right here, right?
No.
Where does it go? That one? Okay. Make sure. Okay, let me see your keys.
Did it start before this?
Huh?
Did it start before this?
Yeah.
What's wrong with your car, bruh? Uh-oh.
What happened? What are you doing?
Trying to turn it on. Was it that fuse? Was it that fuse that didn't let it turn on? Make sure your fuse is plugged in.
I'll plug it, see what happens.
Alright, plug it.
Ready?
Yeah. No fucking shot. That's what it is.
It was disconnected. So we just gotta hold on. Hold on.
Make sure that fuse is connected or your car won't start. Drop off my car and then have them pick me up. And then they're gonna meet me at my house and swoop me at my house. Mag's washing his car. Now he's just washing this shit. Oh! That's soap! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's not juicy.
Oh shit. Holy shit, bro. All right, so let's see what the headlights looking like.
That looks really aggressive.
I'm so
Ready to
happy.
show them?
Huh?
Ready to show them?
Yeah, I'm so happy.
All right, do the reveal.
V-Land headlights. I also want to make a special shout out for V-Land for sending me these. But I also want to say I'm sorry for acting like a Karen in those emails. I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened to the LED bulbs. I really don't. They just showed up on my front door.
Damn, this shit looks hella good.
Sorry.
Look hella nice.
Wait,
I kind of.
that would be kind of getting annoying.
Facts. Yeah, looks hella nice. That shit was pretty easy to do, huh?
Yeah, really
Pretty easy to do. Oh yeah, his clutch is given out, but he got his clutch already.
Yeah. Where's yours at, huh?
I have it in the house.
But is it put on?
Why is everybody's clutch going out already?
No.
It's because yours went out first.
Oh. Headlights installed, and yeah, that's pretty much today's vlog. Little quick install. I don't think I made an intro, but hopefully you guys are doing good. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. It's because we haven't had any content, but luckily Kevin got his headlights, and there you go, content, huh? Finally, a little content going on. I'm also gonna be drifting this time because last time my coilover broke, but this time I'm actually gonna go. I'm ready now.
He burned off flake last time.
What do you mean?
Because it broke doesn't mean you can't drift.
No, I couldn't because I had no. Because I had to do the other side. I only did one side.
No.
I only did one side, but. Yeah.
Soon to be track car.
You gonna track this thing?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I'm gonna try to go for them teams. Give me a sponsor, whoever's watching.
Oh, let's hear
Go.
facts. Future race car. Is this Tony?
It's not Anthony.
Ooh, with the chrome wheels. I know, I felt it. What's all that scraping?
I'm assuming it's undercarriage.
Oh,
That was so fucking clean.
look at the wheels, bro. They're so clean too.
You gave me permission.
Huh?
You gave me permission
What?
to drive this car.
Oh, I know. Oh, yeah.
Don't worry.
How you doing, Burnout?
Say what's up.
Here.
Where the fuck's buddy at? Ah!
It's just torquey.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Had the EVO headlights installed by Kevin, and a little short little vlog. Maybe I'll start doing POV drives. How would you guys like that? POV drives? But anyways, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a banner now. Got subs. And then I took off the front banner, but that's because I'm gonna be getting a new style on. And then I put that, so that new sticker on. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, that was today's vlog. Hopefully you guys liked the video. More vlogs to be coming soon. It's starting to get hot now. Summertime's around the corner. Oh, and by the way, remember when I failed to go drifting because my coilover kind of just blew up on me? Well, I signed up again, and it's gonna be on March 23rd. Good Luck League, Thunderhill, and I'm gonna be drifting. I don't have experience drifting. But there's gonna be a lot of eyes on me, and I'm gonna suck. But it's okay. It's okay. I mean, that's the first beginnings of drifting, the Z. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the video, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day. Like and subscribe, share to everybody, and yeah, peace.